Hey everyone, so iOS 26 just dropped and the Messages app got a bunch of new customization features, from chat bubbles and emoji reactions to effects and layout tweaks. You can actually make your messages look and feel your way now. If you're wondering how to take control of these new features, this video will guide you through step by step. So let's jump right in. Part 1. The background. Yeah. Now you can even change the chat background for individual conversations. Just go to Settings, find and open Apps, then look up Messages Apps and tap on it. Scroll down and find Conversation Backgrounds. This feature is disabled by default, so make sure to enable it. After this, you can have conversation backgrounds on your Messages app that you can set from your photos or using Apple AI. Part 2. Screen Unknown Senders. iOS 26 got this great feature where it lets you have an upper hand on your unknown contact messages. You can now easily differentiate between spam messages and important ones. So, while you are still in the Messages settings on your iPhone, toggle on Screen Unknown Senders. After that, select Allow Notifications under it. From here, you can choose to allow notifications for the time-sensitive, personal, transactions, or promotional messages. Choose what you like. Part 3. Send photo previews. If you go back to the Messages app settings and scroll down, you should find Send Photo Previews options. This feature lets you see a preview of your photos in low data mode so that you can have an understanding of what you might expect. Pretty useful if you don't have enough data or you're in a place with low reception. Part 4. New effects and animations. In the Messages app, when you send messages like happy birthday or congrats, the screen effects still show, but now you can manually apply them too. Open Messages, go to a chat, and just type your message. Then press and hold the send button, and you'll see options like different text fonts and bubbles. If you select screen from the top, you will find quite a few text effects. Just swipe to your preferred screen effect and hit the send icon. You should try all of them out. It's a fun way to spice up your conversations. Well, anyway, that wraps up our today's video on customizing the Messages app on iOS 26. Hope the video helped you out. If it did, then don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on your iPhone. See you next time.